Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 Land Rover Discovery Sport 2-liter TD4 HSE Black Auto 4WD, finished in Corris Grey with a premium black leather interior. A versatile and stylish SUV that blends capability, comfort, and distinctive Black Edition styling. At the side, you'll notice the sleek body lines, 20-inch alloy wheels, and gloss black accents that define the HSE Black styling. The addition of a fixed panoramic roof brings light into the cabin, while electric folding mirrors and keyless entry enhance everyday usability. At the rear, clean lines are complemented by LED taillights, parking sensors, and a powered tailgate for easy access to the boot. Powered by a capable 2-liter diesel engine and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this Discovery Sport offers a confident and composed drive across any terrain. And with cruise control and 4-wheel drive, it's ready for everything from motorways to muddy tracks. At the front, bold black detailing, LED lights, and a sculpted bonnet give the Discovery Sport a confident and sporty appearance. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a refined black leather interior with heated front seats, 8-way electric adjustment, and a clear, driver-focused layout. The fixed panoramic roof adds an airy, premium feel to the cabin. In terms of tech, you'll get Bluetooth, DAB radio, satellite navigation, and a reverse camera, all easily accessible from the central touchscreen. In the back, the rear seats offer plenty of space and comfort for passengers, making it ideal for families and road trips alike. In the boot, you'll find a practical load area, easily accessed with the electric tailgate, perfect for luggage, shopping, or weekend gear. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161-399-1629. Quote, registration SW65UWK to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.